You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Monday, July 10th, and we've got a great show for you today. We're talking some Splatoon news. Bethesda is getting sued. Castlevania on Netflix, we give our review of that show. We've got some IPO news that we want to discuss. WWE 2K18 news. All of that and more is coming up live today if you're watching. And each of those is going to be a recap video that we post today up on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. Little news coming up for StockStreamer. This is a Twitch channel that we've checked out a couple of times. The basic premise is a guy has $50,000 out there. And on Twitch, anyone can vote for what stock they purchase or sell. And the portfolio's actually been up since he's put it out there. It's doing well. Surprisingly, some people thought that people were just going to troll it and it was going to tank, but people are working it pretty good and it's going up. Now, the news on this is that they have been acquired by CHEDDAR. So CHEDDAR has decided to buy them out, and a couple of things that are going to change. It's going to boost it up to $100,000 managed, and it's going to be featured on CHEDDAR's website now in various ways. So, and the person's going to go to work for them. I'll put a link to the article, like I do with all the articles. I'll put it in the video there. So I thought that was pretty cool that the guy got bought out and he's gonna go work for them. It'd be very interesting to see what they develop this into. Certainly, right out of the gate, I mean it's a little bit rough. I mean it's on Twitch, it's streaming, you vote for it. I think with some development, the guy can make it a pretty cool interactive way, and certainly. I think if you're interested in stock, watch this, follow this, vote on some buys and stuff that you want to see, kind of learn the ins and outs before you start using your own money. It'll give you a pretty good idea of how he makes money with trades, or how you could make money with trades in the stock market. I tend to go for a little bit longer term dividend investment, but if you want to start trading, take a look at what they've got going on. That's a good place to start. Let me know what you think in the comments. StockStream, good news for them. Hopefully we see more of them in the future. I'm going to wrap it up today, but I have two requests for folks. One, we're going to be doing a Q&A video shortly. So if you could post in some comments any of the questions that you have, I'll do a whole video dedicated to that. We get lots of questions here and there. Go ahead and submit them in. I'll do a full Q&A session to knock out some of the more popular questions that we get. We're starting to grow enough as a channel where I get enough people asking questions, so I'll answer all of them the best that I can. The other thing that I want this week, I'm looking for very small micro-cap stocks. So if you have any of those ideas, send them my way. I'll give you a quick example of what I'm looking at, what I'm looking for. Saw an article where transparent solar power windows are coming out and stuff like that. And once you read those types of articles, you start looking for these small companies. Vivint Solar, a couple of $100 million companies, stuff like that. So anyone, it doesn't have to be energy or things like that. Anything that's a real small cap stock that has huge potential for growth, I want to kind of feature it this week. So if you have any of those, send them my way. I've already got one. I'll probably be doing that solar company there, and Air Industries, which they have drones is what they work on. So something along those lines. You can see what is their market cap. they're 11 million, so they're really micro cap. So I like to do long shot micro stocks this week. So send them my way, post them in the YouTube comments. I'll review them this week. May not be something I would necessarily invest in, but if you've got the money and you've got that kind of risk tolerance, we like it. You know, these long shots, they can pay off really big. So look for those this week. Send them my way. We're going to try and do a bunch of them this week as we do the show. So that's it for today. I'm going to wrap it up. You can contact the show. Screen is behind me. We're live Monday through Friday, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Normally that's our time. We were a little early today. We had to start early, having a scheduling conflict that I had. So sorry to the folks who missed the live show. Recaps are going up today. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.